Good morning, online kids. So this week's Jump Starter is about Antarctica, but it's also about using a maps grid to find the location of certain spots. So you'll notice that you have a map of Antarctica for this week, and it kind of looks like a giant chessboard or a checkerboard because they have drawn out all these squares, either like all across the map. You'll notice that these squares on top have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going this way, and then you'll see that there are letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G going along the other border. And what they're looking for is when you are asked to find the location of something, they want you to know where it is as far as like its location on a grid. You can see that these lines make up kind of a grid. The most obvious feature on the map is the South Pole right in the center of Antarctica. So if you were to find the location of the South Pole using the grid, you would find that it is in the row D in the column 4. So you would call that location D4. If you were looking for the Vinson Massif, the tallest point in Antarctica, you would see that that's also in row D, and it's also in column 2. This would be like D2. If you've ever played the game Battleship, where you have to like try and sink your opponent's ships by calling out grid positions, this is very similar to that. So the questions this week are going to ask you like which grid position is blank in, and you can look for those. Sometimes it's going to be in more than one square, like the Rhone ice shelf is in 1, 2, 3, 4 different squares. That would be it. So it would be C2, C3, D2, and D3. So you'll have to use the grid squares to help you find your locations for most of the questions this week. Hopefully that's helpful. Good luck, and let me know if you have questions.